Hi buddies, it's me, Tinky. Today we are going to make ghosts in the graveyard. These pudding cups are such a fun, easy, and spooky treat to make for Halloween. Before we begin today, remember that Tinky wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there in the kitchen to help out. Well, the first thing you need to do is get a big bowl and a packet of chocolate pudding mix. This is a standard 5.9 ounce bag of chocolate pudding mix that you can buy in your grocery store. Go ahead and dump your pudding mix into your bowl. Next up, let's add 3 cups of milk. And now mix it up using a whisk. As you stir the pudding mixture together, you'll see that the dry ingredients start to blend into the milk. And also, your pudding will start to thicken over the next couple of minutes. There, that looks awesome! Let's spread it out evenly into 6 small bowls. Take a half cup measuring cup and scoop a half cup of pudding into each little bowl. Now, using the back of a spoon, smooth out the pudding to create a flat surface. Don't worry about making it perfectly flat. Just mostly flat will do. As you can see, our pudding is already thickened up a lot. The next step in making our ghosts in the graveyard is to put some soil on our pudding cups to become the ground of our graveyard. We are going to use crushed up Oreos. Here I've ground up 12 Oreo cookies in my food processor. Now let's take these cookie crumbs and spread them out evenly atop each of our 6 pudding cups. I'll start with just a spoonful of crumbs in each bowl, and then if I have some left over, then I'll go around and top them off. There, that looks great. Now you can't have a graveyard without gravestones, so let's make those next. Here I have 6 Milano cookies. I find that these cookies make the perfect gravestone shape because when you push it into the pudding, this top part is shaped just like a traditional gravestone. So take some food coloring. I'm going to use black food coloring because that shows up the best, and put a few drops into a little bowl. Using a toothpick, dip the toothpick into the food coloring and then write whatever you want on your gravestones. I find that Boo and R.I.P. for rest in peace are some classic things that I like to put on my gravestones. Now it's time to make the ghosts. So for that, take a piping bag or just a regular zip top bag, then take some Cool Whip and scoop about 1 cup into either your piping bag or your zip top bag. Using a pair of scissors, cut off a small piece of the tip of your piping bag. And now it's time to pipe our ghosts. Towards the edge of your bowl, swirl a small circle of whip topping and keep on swirling it around, building it up as if you're making a soft serve ice cream cone. This will become the body of your ghost. Don't make it too tall though, or your ghost might fall over. And now to put some eyeballs onto our ghost. So take your toothpick and dip it into your food coloring and just make 2 little dots for the eyeballs on each ghost. And now for the finishing touch, stick your gravestones into your graveyard. These ghosts in the graveyard look terrific! Well, I'm ready to dig in and give it a taste. Yummy! That's extra good! I love the creaminess of the smooth pudding and the Cool Whip ghost combined with a little bits of crunch added by the Oreo cookie crumbs. This is a really fun dessert. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had such a wonderful wonderful time making these ghosts in the graveyard, and I hope you will enjoy making this treat for your family and friends to celebrate Halloween together. I'll see you guys again soon. Happy Halloween and happy creating!